Welcome back. If Snapchat keeps pinging you every time your best friend sends a message, and you're just not feeling those extra sound alerts anymore, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off best friend message sounds on Snapchat using the latest app version. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and tap on that to open your settings menu. This is where all your Snapchat preferences are stored. Now scroll down a bit until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to access all the notification settings for your account. Here, you'll see a list of different alerts that Snapchat can send you. Look for the option labeled Best Friend Message Sounds. This is the setting responsible for those specific sound alerts whenever your best friends message you. To disable it, simply uncheck or toggle off the Best Friend Message Sounds option. Once you do that, Snapchat will stop playing those special sounds.